Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your home girl Omo Merrily. So in this video we'll be learning how I achieved this eyeshadow look. Before we go right into that, welcome guys. How was your day? So please don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and let's get right into this makeup video. So guys, before I do my eyeshadow look, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my flawless foundation routine. I have a very detailed video on that. I'm going to link it in the description box and also up if you want to watch it. So yeah, I'm applying the primer on my face after applying the moisturizer. I'm using the Becca sample primer. After that, I'll be going into my foundation. For foundation today, I'll be using the Maybelline Super Stay foundation. I don't know my shade and it's not on this bottle, but I'll be blending it into my skin using the BH Cosmetics brush, and then I just blend that in. In this video I'm not color correcting, so you might see little black patches on my face. That's because I didn't color correct, and I'm just blending out the foundation to make sure there are no dark patches. Then I'll be using a concealer. For concealer today, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution concealer and the MAC Cosmetics concealer. I'm using the Makeup Resolution for the outside, meaning my cheekbone area, and then I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics for inside, that is into my eye, because I want that part to be lighter than the other parts. Then I just blend it out, still using the BH Cosmetics brush. Then I'll be using the ZK foundation in Coca. I think that's the darkest shade to just contour my face, and I'm blending it out with now I'm going to be setting my face with the Mother Cosmetics setting powder in 05. I got this as a PR package, but guys, this setting powder really works. So if you're in Nigeria, or if you're not in Nigeria, you can always go to their website and order for yours, because trust me when I say it works. So now for my eyeshadow, I'm going to start off by priming my lid using the P. Louise base in Rumors 4. To start, I'm going to take a precise brush into the purple color and just blend it into, not blending per se, I'm dropping it onto my lid, so it doesn't have to be clean or anything. Just make sure you drop it well. Then I'm going into a more buff brush, a blending brush with the color pink, and I'm just blending out the purple I kept initially into the pink, so it looks more blended and it looks more reasonable. So I'm going to go back into the purple I used initially because it has lost most of the consistency it had. So I'm going to go back into that color and just put it again on my lids. Now to cut my crease, I'll be going into a Vaseline and a flat brush. I learned this method from P. Louise. Just make sure you line out the part you want to cut, and just use a makeup wipes, or in my case I'm using a cutting board. Just remember when you are doing anything regarding your makeup, your face, your eyes, you take your time. You always have to take your time when you're doing your makeup, because you're not rushing anywhere, unless you're rushing and then you don't have to take your time. I'm going to go back into my flat brush and use the P. Louise base to just use the P. Louise base on the area for my cut crease and just place it gently. You don't want to smear, you want to be very precise with what you're doing. After that, I'm going to be going into the glittery shimmery color. It's a very light purple. I'm just going to tap that onto that part. Just tap it into it. Then I'm going to go into a neon purple pigment and just place it at the edge of it gently using a tiny brush. Your brush is actually very important when you're doing anything on your face, because you need, when you're doing a tiny area, you need a tiny brush so you don't overdo it. Then I'm going to go back and clean out the excess area and go again back into the flat brush and the P. Louise base to cut out another area for another pigment going on. Then I just cut it. Make sure you take your time. I cannot emphasize on that enough. Then I'm going to go into another shimmery color. This time it's a green or blue. This color is quite confusing. And just tap into it, because the P. Louise base is quite sticky, so the pigment coming on it would really stick. So you just tap it into it gently. Then for the last part, I'm going to be cutting the crease again. This time I'm using the purple pigment I used earlier, and I'm just going to tap into this. So now I'm wearing my lashes and I'm just gonna finish up my face, and you see the final look shortly. Finishing up my face, I'm using my powder to dust out the excess setting powder on my face. Then I'm going into a powder contour palette to just make sure or intensify the contour I already did on my face and on my nose. Then I'll be doing my brows. I have a detailed brow tutorial. I'm going to drop it up here so you can see that also. Then I'm going to be highlighting my face using the Mother Africa pressed highlighter. This highlighter is legit bomb. I'm going to do my under eye pigments. Then now my lips. For my lips today, I'll be using Edgar Nesta lipstick in Melanin. Well, I didn't really like the lipstick after applying it, so I decided to make an ombre kind of effect using a pink lipstick in between. Still not the shade I want, so I'm going to go into a lighter pink lipstick. This is what we're talking about. Then I just blend it out using a lip brush. After blending it, I'm going to be going into my flat brush for my concealer and just clean out the excess around my lips, because you want it to be perfect. After cleaning that out, I set my face using the Morphe's continuous setting spray. That didn't show, but this is my final look. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned how to do this eyeshadow look. And if you like the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.